Hi there, it's grammar fun time with Ronnie again. Yay, grammar. Today, we're going to be learning about how to use the simple past, which is regular ed verbs or irregular verbs, and the past perfect. We're going to use it to talk about our or your daily routine, so what you do every day. Okay. Past perfect is had plus pp, or the past participle. The past participle is the third tense of the verb. The easiest way for me to explain this to you is the earliest action or the first action that you do in the morning, for example, you're going to choose past perfect. Then, the next action you do after that, you're going to use simple past. So first of all, earliest action, past perfect. The second action that you do is going to be simple past. I will help you out with some examples. So, for example, I sometimes wake up at 8 o'clock. Usually, when we speak English, when we talk about our daily routine, we use basic English. We say, I wake up, I eat breakfast. But when you want to talk about it in the past, you have to use past perfect and simple past. So, 8 o'clock, I wake up. 8:15, I eat breakfast. So, the earliest or the first action that I do in the morning is I wake up and then, nom nom nom, I eat breakfast. I usually have oatmeal for breakfast with yogurt. What do you eat for breakfast? Then, after work, maybe about 5:15, I have a bath. I like to be clean. And at 5:30, after my bath, my 15-minute bath, I watch TV. So, what we're going to do to change this into simple past and past perfect is my very first action we're going to put into the past perfect tense. My second action, I'm going to use simple past. So let's work this out together. I'm awake. Yay. Let's do this. The very, very first action that I did, we're going to use past perfect. So, wake up. Does anyone know the past participle of wake? It's very strange. A lot of people get it wrong. It's actually woken. Now, when we use simple past and past perfect together in a sentence, we usually have the word after to help us with the time period. So, we're going to use the word after in both of our sentences. And we're going to say, after I'm going to use my past perfect, had woken up. So this is my very first action that I did. The earliest action is I woke up. After I woke up, I ate breakfast. So the simple past of eat is ate, like the number. So after I had woken up, I ate breakfast. So if you look at this sentence, I have after, and then I have my past perfect, and then I have my breakfast. So the very first thing that I did was I woke up and then I ate breakfast. Which makes sense, because you can't eat breakfast while you're sleeping. Can you? Maybe in your dreams. Let's have a look at the other one, the other example. So, at 5:15, I have a bath, and at 5:30 I watch TV. the very, very first or the earliest action that I did was I had a bath. So the first action, again, I need to put into past perfect. The second action I did was I watched TV. So let's do the sentence together. Okay, so again, we're going to use after to begin the sentence. So I'm going to say after I need my subject, and I'm going to use past perfect. Had. Now, what is the past perfect? What's the past participle of have? It's had. But you have to say had. Yes, I know it's really, really strange, like most English, but you actually have to say, after I had a bath. It's the exact same as this sentence. After I had woken up, then we need the subject. We have to put in I. I forgot the I. I ate breakfast. So again, we need the subject after the comma. So I. The simple past tense of watch is watched. It is a t sound at the end, but we spell it with an ed. So after I had a bath, I, don't forget your subject like I did, watched, ed, TV. So, automatically, when we look at these sentences, we know that the very, very first thing that I did was I woke up, because I'm using the past perfect. Then we know that I ate breakfast. If you look at this sentence, after work, I know I had a bath first because I'm using the past perfect. And then I know I watched TV after the bath because I'm using simple past. So what do you do when you come home from work or come home from school? Try and write a sentence using simple past and past perfect. That's all for now, folks. Bye-bye.